Alright, now, so how are we supposed to do this task? Okay, first, it needed to be graded. Maybe you can first try with 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then now 5 minutes. Okay, first. Secondly, okay, I explained them very clearly how to do this task. Okay, maybe for the 1 minute, you can ask like them to focus to read a book or to do a task, as long as they can sit quietly, and then you can proceed to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and now 5 minutes. And finally, how you can do this task is by waiting with them together for 5 minutes. Let's say you ask your children to read quietly for 5 minutes. You as well sit quietly beside them and read with them for 5 minutes. So now let's try it together. Okay, make sure that your environment don't have a lot of things that can disturb their attention. So maybe you can just sit in a room, just the both of you, you and your child, and read a book together for 5 minutes. So just have a very comfortable placement for both of you, and make sure that there are distance between you and the children, so that they are actually doing it on their own and you are just there to support them. So try it with your child.